Hello and welcome to all of you. I am Shivam Singh to teach you a computer applications. Hope you all are fit and fine. I welcome you all in this online classes. Today in this computer class you will study about computer system. Computer system. The growing use of records era in our life has ended in a new and improved way of wandering, dwelling, and working. Earlier, computer systems had been used in general by way of scientists and engineers for complex calculations and operations, and they were very costly. In recent times, a computer could be very low cost and in the reach of the general public. It has certainly become out to be a need in banks, hospitals, railways, shopping complexes, colleges, schools, homes, and so on. In truth, it would be suitable to say that life without a computer is tough to be imagined. What is a computer? The word computer is derived from compute, because of this, to do the numerous sorts of calculations. A computer is a digital tool that could perform a diffusion of duties, approach a masses of work. It could do a given set of instructions by humans. Its far flexible approach, it may do a couple of paintings on the equal time and might handle more than one duties, like making documentation, accounting, making budget, graphical designing, exciting like looking movies, gambling video games, listening tune, and so forth, presenting training approach, a learning knowledge of, a digital getting to know as we are doing now for the duration of this pandemic times, airlines, railways and other bookings, climate forecast, amongst many other responsibilities. The acronym for computer is Common Oriented Machine, particularly used for trade and education research. Characteristics of a computer. A computer is capable of acting exceptionally complicated responsibilities, which human beings are not able to perform correctly. Allow us to talk its strengths and limitations. Strengths of a computer. First is speed. A computer works at an incredible speed without making any errors. An everyday individual could complete a specific venture in some hours, while the equal venture is completed by a computer in the fraction of a second. Calculations may be accomplished in microseconds, i.e., millionth of a second. The velocity of a computer measured in milliseconds, 10 to the power minus 3 seconds, or nanoseconds, 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. Second is accuracy. Further to speed, a computer plays its challenge with brilliant accuracy. It hardly commits mistakes within the processing of information. The mistakes commonly arise while the input is incorrect or the hardware isn't functioning well. Third is reliability. A computer is extra dependable than a human being, as it in no way receives worn out and bored of the repetitive responsibilities. It may function for lengthy hours without taking relaxation with its accuracy and tact. Fourth is storage ability. A computer can store a big quantity of facts in its memory, in the form of files, photographs, sound, and so forth. These facts can be retrieved every time required. On the other hand, an individual can maintain only related statistics in his memory and has a tendency to neglect the rest. Fifth is versatility. A computer can carry out diverse varieties of jobs. For instance, you'll be able to enjoy taking note of song even as typing in MS Word. Whilst running on any package, we will play games, do calculations, make animations, surf the net, send email, and many others. Sixth is reduction in manpower. Computer has helped the entrepreneurs to come to be more green. As an end result, fewer human beings are required to do the equal task. We can also see this in banks, industries, and in almost all government and personal quarter workplaces. Seventh is reduction in paperwork. With the usage of computers, a large amount of paper wastage can be averted in any business enterprise. A computer shops records inside the form of statistics that facilitates in lowering a variety of paper paintings. As an instance, facts of college students in a school may be saved on a laptop in place of keeping the manual files for every character. Moreover, records approximately any scholar may be received without difficulty and quickly with the assist of a computer. Limitations of a computer. First, limited ability to think. Although with the appearance of AI, artificial intelligence, computer systems now have the potential to take selections to some extent on their personal. In comparison to human intelligence, computers still have a long way to go. As a way because the scope of AI is concerned, it's far but debatable and restricted. Computer systems however cannot fully suppose and decide like humans do. Second, dependence on power. A computer is an electronic device and therefore its dependence on energy makes it highly priced. Applications of computers. The discovery of computers has led to the development in technology and generation. Existence has emerged as more green with using computers in our each-day lifestyles. Earlier, it was particularly used by massive corporations for scientific studies and engineering packages. However, today, computer systems are utilized in almost each subject of our existence. The foremost areas of laptop programs are as follows. First, military. Computer systems play a vital function inside the layout and improvement of excessive tech weapons for protection in which absolute accuracy is vital. The whole international noticed the vast use of computer systems in protection all through the Gulf and Afghanistan and the Iraq conflict. Automated simulation physical games are very beneficial in education the pilots. Computers help in preventing terror and terrorists and their hideouts can be positioned everywhere within the international with excessive accuracy. Computer generation enables governments round the world to efficiently execute their plans via powerful planning. The Arena noticed how America located Osama bin Laden with the help of computers. Second, banks. Due to computerization and networking of a massive range of banks, numerous facilities are being presented to customers. The usage of online banking, you could test your real-time balance and all the info of beyond transactions. Money can without problems be transferred to any account across the globe. Internet banking additionally permits you to apply an ATM or debit card to store, buy tickets, pay bills for utility offerings, like energy, smartphone, and post-paid mobiles. You may even subscribe to unfastened monthly bank account statements and apply online to open constant deposits. The power of subscribing to cellular banking allows you to simply convey the bank with you. Third, research. Computer systems facilitate research paintings in a very powerful manner by means of performing complex computations, which occasionally appear impossible for human beings. Some of them are listed under the computations required for launching a new satellite into space. Earthquake and tsunami warnings are possible with the aid of computers. Weather forecasting is done with the help of computers. Impact of nuclear tests can be studied using computers. Fourth, education. Computer-aided gaining knowledge of and teaching is slowly reworking our education gadget. The multimedia wealthy automated animations and motion pictures assist students to catch the concepts in a very easy and powerful manner. Digital schoolrooms are a truth in recent times. This era makes use of video conferencing and online modules of Examine Cloth for gaining knowledge of. With the arrival of studying, college students can have a look at consistent with their time schedule. Now it has emerged as feasible to behavior online front exams at countrywide and international level with the help of computer systems. The outcomes of numerous education boards as well as front tests are available online. Students can discover information approximately various schools through the net and can apply online for the preferred courses. 5th. Media and communication. Computer systems have performed a first-rate function in revolutionizing the communique machine. From the advent of smartphone and TV, which were perceived as amazing matters, we've come a protracted manner to revel in merchandise and centers, like cellular telephones, internet, email, SMS, chatting, cable television, video conferencing, and so forth. Music may be composed by way of the usage of MIDI, musical device virtual interface, which allows editing and controlling of sound. A spread of musical codecs may be played in addition to recorded by way of using computers. Many video modifying softwares with wealthy capability are also available. 6th. Criminal identity and regulation enforcement. Computers can create matching pictures of criminals with the aid of the usage of descriptions. Face matching and reputation software program is likewise available. This enables CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, workforce to pick out the criminals. The police makes use of DNA fingerprinting technique to perceive the accused with the assist of paws and skin, hair, or blood samples accrued from the website of crime. The visitors police uses speed cameras on traffic lighting to reveal humans for regulation violation. The police additionally uses computer systems to track the records of stolen cars and cell phones in an effort to catch the criminals in much less time. 7. Edutainment. At home, the computer is getting used for schooling as well as amusement. With a laptop, the individuals of a own family could have and clean get entry to video games, music, films, emails, chatting, and even do research for his or her projects and assignments. Human beings also can watch TV on their computer systems. 8. Business. Computer systems have greatly helped inside the improvement of enterprise activities all through the sector. Groups can easily get entry to the modern technology and manpower internationally. E-commerce has absolutely changed the scenario of online purchasing. Worldwide business members of the family can now be maintained through the net. Computers are utilized in workplaces for retaining sales and advertising and marketing information, inventory planning, manufacturing, tax information, and getting ready employee payroll, and so forth. 9. Animation and films. In field of leisure, computers are used for making animations and cartoon movies, producing special musical consequences, and bringing fantasy to lifestyles in movies. Cool animated film characters, like Walt Disney's Mickey and Donald, Tom and Jerry, etc., are given animation consequences via computers. Films, like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, Avatar, Happy Feet, Robot, Koi Mil Gaya, and Kung Fu Panda have used the state-of-the-art computer animation strategies for growing computer graphics. 10. Commercial use. Increased reservation of rooms in hotels and booking of cinema tickets is now possible from everywhere with the net-powered e-commerce. The billing machine in theaters, buying department stores, and resorts has grown to be viable via computer systems. 11. Engineering and manufacturing. Architects and engineers take the resource of computer-aided layout (CAD) and computer-aided engineering (CAE) for designing and production high-quality merchandise, like motors and planes. Architects use computer systems for designing the layout of buildings and other civil engineering structures. Superior industrial robots are used to perform skillful and repetitive work. Manufacturing with the guide of robots and computer systems is referred to as computer-aided production (CAM). 12. Sports. Computers also are used inside the discipline of sports. The sports activities equipments used by athletes are first tested on computers. There is a huge range of automatic schooling equipment that have built-in packages to train the sports person. The education of athletes is accomplished with the resource of computer systems. Updation of scoreboards, recording speed of gamers, motion replays, and printing and promoting of tickets are some of the sports-related activities which are also done with the help of computer systems. 13. Medical sciences. Computers help in the diagnosis of sicknesses and within the management and manipulate of various exams like X-rays, CT scans, ECG and ultrasound scans. Automatic equipment is beneficial in preserving patients' medical information and also are used all through surgical procedures. Computers are also used in medical and pharmaceutical analysis and studies. Superior remedies of many sicknesses additionally require the assist of computer systems. 14. Government sector. Computers are used for official correspondence, budgeting, bills, reporting, payroll, attendance, uploading of diverse schemes, paperwork, and many others. Sectors like the Census Bureau, earnings tax, airways, and railways, strength boards, or telephone exchanges have benefited significantly from the computer generation. 15. Library and museum. Libraries use computer systems to manipulate the lending, cataloging and inventory of books, magazines, encyclopedias, CD, DVDs and newspapers. Computers maintain subject smart list of books. Indexing and search of books is very rapid and easy. A completely huge number of humans now not buy newspapers or magazines, however study their online versions. Computer systems are very efficiently utilized in museums to provide facts and play the recorded observation on many artifacts and topics. 16. Mobile computing. Mobile computing is a technology wherein you are capable of transmit video, voice, and records by means of using wireless devices or a laptop without connecting to a physical, fixed link. This involves mobile hardware, software, and conversation. The advantage of using this technology is that you can continue to be connected even when one is moving and changing locations. Mobile computing includes a number of linked wireless devices and allows humans to connect with the net. Wireless communication affords records to all the devices related through cell computing. There are numerous cellular computing gadgets to be had within the market for popular use as discussed below. Smartphones. Those are the cell phones, which have functions of computer systems, cameras, and mobile phones, and all motive beneficial device. Tablet computer. It's far a completely moderately priced computer with internet connectivity and a hint display. PDA. It smiles an older device which acts as a computer. PDAs are typically very compact and may be carried inside the pocket and does not have a completely wealthy capability. 17. Publishing. Computers have performed a stellar position within the publishing industry. Desktop publishing is capable of deal with all aspects of publishing. People now use word processors to put in writing and edit documents. Printing of all styles of books, posters, flyers, or even newspapers has been digitized. Most magazines and newspapers have digital variations. We've got e-books and e-book readers like Amazon Kindle, which enables a person to shop a whole library of books and examine each one at enjoyment. 18. Computers in daily life. Nowadays, the usage of laptop together with a web connection has sincerely modified our existence and our behavior. We listen to song at the laptop, purchase and promote merchandise online and do net banking. Some people even buy groceries online. We additionally chat with our pals the use of Messenger and software like Skype, FaceTime, and Google Speak. Internet banking has come to be commonplace these days. We are able to tap the wonderful understanding repository on the net from the relaxed confines of our houses. We also can take online classes and even achieve studies cloth for initiatives from the net. The advantages and packages of computers are limitless. Now it need to be obtrusive to you ways laptop has grown to be an critical a part of our lifestyles. It has influenced our life to such an volume that we cannot even consider running without this digital device. A computer system. A computer system can be taken into consideration as the mixture of hardware and software program which approaches facts to convert it into a significant fact. Hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer system. It consists of all input devices, processing devices, storage gadgets, and output gadgets. The motherboard, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printers, and the ICS integrated circuit are all examples of hardware. The CPU, Central Processing Unit chip, is the maximum vital processing tool, which is part of the hardware. Software. Software is a lot of projects which controls the inside tasks of a PC and educates a PC what to do. For example Unix, MS Word, and so forth. Software is of two kinds, system software and application software. Operating system. Operating framework OS is the most significant software on the PC. Each broadly useful PC needs an OS to run applications and projects. The OS performs fundamental errands like understanding contribution from the console and sending yield to the showcase screen. It monitors indexes and records on capacity gadgets and even controls the fringe gadgets like printers, scanners, and so forth. Unix, Linux, Windows, and Android are a portion of the well-known working frameworks. The UI of a working framework can be text-based or illustrations-based. Most present-day working frameworks have a GUI graphical user interface, which presentations pictures and pictures that empower you to associate with the PC. Functions of a computer. Allows the information given by the client input. Procedures the information as indicated by a given arrangement of guidelines processing. Stores the information storage. Gives the ideal outcome as per the client's necessity output 1. Input. A PC acknowledges the information given by the client. It tends to be as directions or information. Guidelines orders are given to the PC to work on the information. It could be a solitary order to carry out a responsibility or a lot of guidelines to play out a progression of steps. This arrangement of guidelines is known as a program. 2. Processing. The way toward changing over sloppy information into important data as per the client's directions is called processing. 3. Storage and retrieval. Input is put away in the memory of a PC. It tends to be recovered at whatever point required. 4. Output. The conclusive outcome or yield, accessible to the client, either on the screen, soft copy, or as a printout, hard copy, is known as output. The basic organization of a computer. A computer system has three significant parts: input unit, CPU, and an output unit for performing various capacities. Input unit. The input unit is framed by connecting at least one information gadgets to a PC. A client inputs information and directions through info gadgets, similar to console, mouse, and so on. The info unit is utilized to give information to the processor to additionally handling. Central Processing Unit (CPU). CPU is the principal unit of a PC. It controls all the inner and outside gadgets of a PC and performs math and consistent activities. CPU is little and is alluded to as a chip. A chip is a kind of incorporated circuit, based on a minuscule bit of silicon. A microchip chip contains a great many semiconductors. The semiconductors cooperate to store and control information with the goal that the chip can play out a wide assortment of capacities. The speed of a CPU is dictated by the quantity of guidelines it executes every second, which is estimated in MHz (MHz). Output unit. The output unit is shaped by appending the yield gadgets to a PC. The yield unit of a PC acknowledges the data from the CPU and showcases the yield in a client-meaningful structure. The regularly utilized yield gadgets are Visual Display Unit (VDU), printer, speakers, and so forth. A VDU likewise shows the information which a client enters through information gadgets. Let us contrast these units and the pieces of a human body. Let us comprehend the essential association of a PC with the assistance of a square graph.